Now we will discuss the some basic functions. One of the basic function is gate function or rectangular function. This gate function or rectangular function can be denoted by pi of x. This gate function is a interval between the minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. Outside of this interval, that function value is 0. Inside of that interval, that function strength is or signal strength is unit. The graphical representation of this gate function is this the graphical representation of gate function. The mathematical representation of gate function is pi of x equal to 0 for mod x greater than 1 by 2, pi of x equal to 1 for mod x less than or equal to 1 by 2. Another name of this gate function is pulse function or window function. Another form of this gate function is this the another form of gate function a pi of t by tau. In this graphical representation, interval is the minus tau by 2 to tau by 2. In between this interval, the strength of the signal is a. The graphical representation of this gate function is a pi of t by tau equal to a minus tau by 2 to t tau by 2. Another basic signal is sinusoidal signal. This sinusoidal signal can be used in continuous waves or smooth periodic oscillation. The graphical representation of sinusoidal signal is the graphical representation of sinusoidal signal, and mathematical representation of sinusoidal signal is y of t equal to a sine 2 pi ft plus phi. Another form of this mathematical representation a sine omega t plus phi. In this equation, a is the maximum amplitude, omega is the angular frequency, phi is the phase value. Units of phase is degrees per radian, angular frequency radians per second. Another basic signal is triangular function or hat function or tent function. The graphical representation of triangular function is this the graphical representation of triangular function. How we will find the mathematical representation of this triangular function? Using line equation, we find the mathematical representation of triangular function. In this triangle, left side and right side, we find the points of this line equations. Left side minus tau comma 0, in y axis 0 comma a, in right side tau comma 0. First we calculate the left side line equation. Y minus y1 by x minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here tau comma 0 0 comma a, 0 comma a, x1 y1 points, tau comma 0 x2 y2 points. These 2 points we substitute in this equation. In y axis we taken the del of t by tau, in x axis we taken the t. We substitute in these values in this equation. Del of t by tau minus a by t minus 0 equal to minus a by minus tau. Finally we get the del of t by tau equal to a into 1 plus t by tau. Similarly, we find the right side equation also. Here in right side equation 0 comma a, tau comma 0. We substitute these points, we substitute in this equation, we find the del of t by tau equal to a into 1 minus t by tau. The mathematical representation of complete equation is del of t by tau equal to a into 1 plus mod t by tau for the interval of minus tau to tau. Another form of this mathematical representation, del of t by tau equal to a into 1 plus t by tau for the interval of minus tau less than t less than 0. Another in right hand side, a into 1 minus t by tau for 0 less than t less than tau.